This room is quite spacious.
Yeah.
I mean, I think it was storage because there are garages within. Empty. Empty.
They tagged the reservoir before.
Rune?
Yeah.
R-U-N-E. Here's base, if you didn't notice. What did you say?
I said Nignog.
Is that someone's name?
No, that's like a child-appropriate version of the racial slur.
Nignog? We just went in a circle.
Oh.
So, you know, I took a photo in here, and Kim Reynolds recreated it.
Did she? She painted it?
Yeah, our Use Some Computer program.
Oh.
It came out great.
Are you friends with Kim?
Photo. The outdoors again. Come on. So, do you want to head up to the roof? Do you want to head up to the roof?
What?
I said, do you want to head up to the roof?
Yeah.
The snow is such a bitch. Can't see where the stairs are. Don't fall. This is quite weird. Not knowing where stairs are and somehow walking up. Watch your head up here, okay? Gotta kind of duck to get in. Come here. I'm going to show you the many tricks of the trade. Just gotta get the ladder out. It's buried. Huh? Yeah. There we go. Okay. I'll go first. Okay. Hold it for me. Fuck. That was quite bad.
Oh, you dropped the glasses.
Hold these. Okay. Hold it better. Never hold a ladder before?
Yeah. This is what I do.
Really? If I fall, I blame you.
I've never held a ladder. I assure you.
You've never held a ladder before. It's okay though.
The ladder holding virgin.
Ladder holding virgin? Good job. Okay. Come on up. Glasses. Thank you. The door's gonna be stuck. Soften up the snow. Got it.
After you.
Thank you, sir. Ouija. I don't know how the roof is gonna look. It's probably more unstable than it's ever been. I'm just inferring. Christ. There's a lot of ice on the steps. On the roof, can't tell where any of the holes are. I don't think it's a good idea to even walk out here.
It's bright.
Of course. Yeah, this is a terrible idea. I said it's a terrible idea to be walking on it. We're not gonna walk any further.
It's probably a good idea.
I'm gonna quit recording though. It's making everything more difficult.